Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing LED keyboard on your HTC smartphone, but at the first I'm going to delete this application, and right now we have to go for the Play Store and tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We have to get the application from the Desire Studio. There is the LED keyboard Lightning. Click here. Now we have to wait. Right now we can open application. Click on the enable. Use this switcher to activate our LED keyboard. Click OK 2 times. Then just go back and click select. Right now we have to select our LED keyboard. And here we get a lot of themes. You can try all of them. For example, we got here the wave, one of the famous. When you tap, the colors are spread from all of the letters here on the keyboard. But my favorite, it was the unlimited. I think it is just beautiful. So that's how we can get this keyboard on your HTC smartphone. I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!